Hi, welcome to Daily Declaring Truth with Beauty. If your heart is breaking, you are in the perfect position for a miracle. Let's look at the book of Psalm chapter 34, verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. God is closest to the brokenhearted. He doesn't look away from your pain. He moves towards it. He saves those who are crushed in spirit and gives them a new song. God will give you a new song today. I declare, the Lord is near my broken heart. He heals my wounds and restores my crushed spirit. I am being mended by the hands of the great physician. Keep declaring God's word over your life and over your home until I come your way tomorrow. Subscribe, share, and God bless.